angels, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing a Sunday reset where I show you my Sunday reset routine, where it's me cleaning and organizing and doing everything to make sure I'm ready for a new week. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss another one of my videos. And let's just get straight on into today's video and just like resetting, cleaning, and getting ready for this new week and new month, honestly, too. So here is my newest nail set. I did a tortoise shell set. If you didn't know, I do my own nails and I try to do them every month now. I used to do them like every 2 weeks, but now they've gotten down to a good routine where I just do them every month. Another thing that we're gonna do is, of course, planning. So I have this acrylic like calendar that I clean up and stuff, or I add things every week to it as well. I got this from vllo. It was honestly a great buy for me because I actually do use this and I think it looks really cute on my desk, makes everything look very aesthetic. I think it's kind of funny that this Sunday reset in specific is landing on March 2nd when I'm posting this, so it's like perfect for a new month. So you can do this for Sunday reset or any month. Me personally, I love planning out my week and just like the month in general, because then I get an overview of like, oh, is this going to be a busy month or not? Luckily this month, March, is actually my spring break, so I get a little break from school and studying and all that. I'm really excited. I have my spring break the last week of March, so I'm excited for just all of that. Another thing that I did was I have this like weekly plan. This week is actually going to be a pretty not busy, but like hefty week on like assignments. Tell me why all of my assignments are due on Monday. Makes me mad. Like spread some of the assignments out. Make sure they're not on Monday. If I was a teacher, I would not be giving assignments out like due on Monday. Like that just makes me so mad. But yeah, here's me just like planning everything out and making sure that I know what I'm going to be doing. I think planning is just one way to make sure you're super organized and ready for the week, and it also tells you like what you actually have to be doing for this upcoming week. Next up is cleaning. So I actually didn't really have to clean too much, because I feel like if you get in a good routine of organizing and picking up after yourself every single day, then you don't have to clean too much. I just kind of want to reorganize my desk, clean it up a little bit. I did have shoes all over my floor, but I didn't really show that. I just picked up my shoes and put them where they were supposed to go in my closet. But yeah, I'm just putting away all these journals that I have. I have a bajillion journals that I'm using, and I feel like I don't really need all of them on my desk. I've been trying to just like journal whenever I feel like it, so not really forcing myself to like journal every single day. So we'll see how that goes. I do want to make sure I'm journaling more though, because I think it's just fun, like not just writing down how I feel about things, but also like scrapbooking or junk journaling, that type of stuff. So yeah, and then I also put away my laundry because I hate doing laundry and I feel like I just really needed to like put everything away. And then another thing I did was disinfect my desk. I feel like I don't do that unless I'm like doing my nails. I don't really like wipe down my surfaces. Sounds a little gross, but it's just the truth. So I feel like having a clean space for the week is another thing that really gets me like mentally prepared for the week, but also a new month. Like if you do this once a month, like clean your desk, clean everything, deep clean, then that's perfect, because then you're really preparing yourself mentally for having a clean space and having a clean and organized mind as well. Okay, next I have random crafting. I guess it's not really random. I made this like trinket tray, I guess, a while back, and I just never Mod Podged it, which is like, I don't really buy resin. I'm using air dry clay more often now. Because again, I've mentioned I'm a really big hobbies girl. I just like having things to do. It's kind of random, but like I just love being able to like do random stuff. So I'm really excited I made this. I painted it white just because I really didn't want like a really crazy colors or anything, and I just Mod Podged it and then put my jewelry on top of this, and I'm absolutely obsessed with it. I love this so much. I think it makes my space look so clean, because it's like it's on a tray, but it's like randomly sporadic on the tray. I don't know if that makes sense, but I just love this, And honestly, it's just like organizing. Next thing is goal setting. I keep forgetting to do this. Like in my monthly reset, I think I mentioned that too, that I forgot to like look over my goals. I'm not saying create new goals. I think just look over the goals that you already have set, and then from there you can figure out what you want to accomplish this month. I feel like last month again, I didn't look at my goals. I don't even think I accomplished really anything as far as like reading. Let's say my reading goal is 30 books, which it is. I want to read like 3 books a month, and I read 1. So this month we definitely need to read way more. I think my goal is going to be like 5 or 6 because I have spring break. So I feel like I should be able to like read more, right? But that's like the mentality you should have. Okay, this month we have this much time, like I should be able to accomplish these goals or work towards this, and make a plan on how you're gonna accomplish those goals. I think that's really important. And of course, would it be one of my videos if I'm not studying? Yeah. So I did do a couple studying. I had a quiz that I needed to do, but it was like open network, like websites, everything. Like I really think she just wants us to know what we're talking about in class. Like a lot of the stuff is just things that we've talked about in class. So you can't really look it up, but you can look it up through resources that she gives us. The first time I took this test, I got a 16 out of 20, which is like a B, like an 82% or something like that. And then the second time I got 20 out of 20. So I'm very happy about that. But yes, I did also study because I had this rule where I didn't want to like do work over the weekend, but I feel like this weekend was pretty chill. So I just decided to do work, and I feel like I'm just like slightly behind on everything. So I just decided that I needed to kind of catch up a little bit. Not really behind, but like I have a film class, one of them, that is, we're supposed to like watch films before class. We don't even watch them in class, which makes me mad, but whatever. And I missed one of the films, but luckily we didn't really talk about it in class, so I was saved, thank God. But yes, here's me just taking the quizzes, and then later I'm also going to be studying for French. If you didn't know, I'm a Spanish major, and part of my major is to take another language, which sounds really crazy, but like, I don't know, they want you to like not only learn one language but learn 2. It's very interesting. I don't know, but I have homework for French every single day, every night. Like she assigns work for before class and after class, and like it's just ridiculous, honestly. I don't even know. And then I feel like when I go to class I'm not actually doing anything, so I feel like my school work is like all at home. Another thing that made me mad was I figured out that she assigned a bunch of work 2 weeks after the due date, so it didn't pop up on, like, we use Lingro, which is like a external textbook type of thing. She didn't assign it until literally on the Friday, which was 2 weeks after it was supposed to be due. So I definitely have to talk to her, my professor, about it. But yeah, I was just doing a little bit of studying to make sure I'm up to date with everything for Monday, which I guess when you're watching it is tomorrow. Okay, another thing I did was journaling. So I ended up journaling, I've been trying to journal like every day, but not force myself to journal, just like whenever I feel like it, but like also whenever I have time to do it, to journal. I'm just doing basic one where you're just like writing down random stuff. I got this like notebook from a school event where it was called like a self-care event or whatever. And I was like, I'm going to use this to rant about college life and like random stuff. So that's what I've been using it for, and I've really been loving it. And I think journaling is just really good because it helps you with your communication skills, it helps you really express your feelings and talk about like what's going on in life, and then reflect on like, do you like what's going on in your life or you don't? I personally don't like journal prompts specifically because I feel like I rant a lot. Obviously, if you guys watch my videos, you would know this. I rant about random stuff. Like I will go off topic about one thing that I was thinking about and then the next thing I was thinking about. So I feel like I like this form of journaling because it's not linear. It's not like, oh, here's a journal prompt and then only talk about that prompt. So yeah, I really like just a blank page, write whatever you want, and that's that. So maybe that's a little crazy, but that's how I do it, and that's how it works for me. And I also do like junk journaling and scrapbooking and stuff, but I feel like when I do those things, I feel like I have to put more effort into it. And maybe it's because I'm very type A that I feel like it has to look perfect and aesthetic and blah blah blah. And I also don't like bringing out all of like my supplies and then putting them away like every day. Like that sounds like a headache to me. But another thing that I did was a digital detox. I realized that I have like all of my YouTube videos were on my actual computer, and I didn't have any storage, so I moved that, and then I put a lot of stuff on a hard drive, and then I just cleaned out like random things that I had on my desktop as well, because digital detoxing is also important. So take this time to not only do your computer but your phone, literally anything. The last thing I like to do is also kind of planning, but I go through my Notion and I update it. If you don't know what Notion is, I have a couple of videos about it, so I will link it in the eye. It is like a productivity software database. So yeah, I like to update it for the week. I also like to update it on just like random things. I have a bunch of different databases. If you want an updated like Notion tour, let me know down below. But yes, Notion is the last thing I did. I updated a couple of dashboards that I had, and then I also updated my school like tab and make sure that I had all my assignments in check for the week. But yes, that is everything for this video. I had a lot of fun filming this, which sounds crazy, but I feel like I just like having my life together, and I think resetting and having a space where I can reset, and you guys love watching these videos, so I just like filming them too. I just feel like afterward my life is just like back in order. But thank you so much for watching this video. If you like these videos and want more videos from me, make sure to comment down below what videos you want to see from me, and also make sure to subscribe to the bell so you never miss another one of my videos if you are not already subscribed. If you are subscribed, I have heard that sometimes YouTube likes to unsubscribe people from channels that they were subscribed to, or like take them off of like the bell part. So make sure you are subscribed and make sure you have your bell turned on so that you don't miss another one of my videos. I have missed a couple uploads like in February, but we're getting back on track. The only reason I missed them in February is because I was sick. So this month we are back on track. I will be posting literally every Sunday, hopefully. And if something happens, you'll definitely hear from me before I miss an upload. But yes, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you guys so much. I love you and all the support you give me. I love commenting and chatting with you in the comments. So if you want to talk, let me know. Chat down below, leave me a comment. I love responding. So yeah, make sure to subscribe to the bell so you never miss another one of my videos, and stay tuned until next Sunday's video, because I promise you guys it will be an amazing one. Thank you again so much for watching, and I hope you guys have an amazing week. Bye guys.